Here's a review of quiz 3, which is on volume and density. So this review looks very similar to the retake. The Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas is a popular destination in Las Vegas. The pyramid has a square base with a 96 feet along each side, with an apex rising 85 feet above the street level. So to calculate the volume of a pyramid, it's 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Since the area of the base is a square, so the square is 96 by 96 and the height is 85. Multiply all those together, divide by 3, you get 26,000. Let me say that again, 261,120 cubic feet. And then the second part of that, beyond the hotel entrance, the rest of the Luxor building has 52,500 square meters of floor area, receives approximately 38,500 visitors a day. By contrast, the Hard Rock Hotel, another popular hotel, has about a third of the floor space of the Luxor and has 4,400 less visitors a day, which hotel is more densely packed with visitors on a given day. And how do you know? So you take the Luxor, which has 38,500 visitors for 52,500 square meters of floor space, so 0.73 per meter squared. So in order to find the population density in the Hard Rock Hotel, you take 38,500 visitors minus, there's 4,400 less, so you get 34,100. And then take this floor space and divide it by 3, which is 17,500. So you take this number, the people, 34,100, divided by the floor space, 17,500 square meters, and you get 1.94 people per square meter. So Hard Rock Hotel is more densely packed. In fact, it's more than twice densely packed. So twice this number would be about 1.4. So the Hard Rock Hotel is more densely packed by about a factor of 2. On the next page, soup can shaped like a cylinder. The can measures 8 centimeters tall and has a diameter of 6 centimeters. Determine the volume. So pi r squared h is 72 pi cubic centimeters. If you take 72 times pi, you get approximately 266.2 cubic centimeters. And I wanted to change these all to centimeters here. So 4 slots are drilled in a square prism toy from top to bottom. The length of the sides are 23 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Let me read that again. The length of the base side is 23 centimeters and the height is 48 centimeters. The slots are cut into cylinders, each with a diameter of 4 centimeters. These wooden cylinders are then removed from the block to determine the volume of the toy. So here's the volume of the prism, 23 times 23 times 48. And the volume of each cylinder is pi times 2 squared times 48. And then there's 4 of those, so you have to multiply by 4. And then subtract, and you get 22,979.3 cubic centimeters. And so the reason I changed this to centimeters because the toy is made from wood, which is 0.652 grams per cubic centimeter. So if this was in the different dimension here, then you would have to convert the units. So in order to divide and in order to eliminate that conversion process, just make everything centimeters in this problem. So mass density is mass divided by volume. Given the density, you want to find the mass, and you find the volume here. So in order to find the mass, you have to multiply these two together. And you get 14,982.5 grams. And what would be the mass if a different wood would use that had a density of 0.49? So you do 0.49 times this number. So 11,259.9 grams. And that's it for that review.